A lot of people on here talk about the wheel strategy, but they don't show you anything besides theory. Let me show you a live example of the wheel strategy in action with both a covered call and a cash secured put live. So I'm over here in my brokerage account where I just deposited 5 grand into it, and I've been running the wheel strategy on, and you can see I have two positions here. I have a Snapchat put right here, which is a cash secured put saying on October 10th, I'm willing to buy 100 shares of Snapchat if it's $7 or below. And then right above that, I have a Snapchat $8 call. This is me saying I'm willing to sell my 100 shares of Snapchat that I have for $8 if at the close on the 3rd, it's trading at $8 or above. Now, if you're not aware of what the wheel strategy is, basically I over-engineered the wheel strategy and I call it the ARK option strategy because I'm plugging all the holes of the leaky wheel strategy bucket. All that info is in the bio, but what you need to understand is the biggest risks of the strategy. First and foremost, okay, if with the cash secured put, if on the 10th at close, Snapchat is trading at like, let's say, sideways, it's trading at like $8, right? Well, my cash to buy the 100 shares, $700, is given back to me to run the play again and collect some more premium. The second thing that can happen, and this is the big risk, right, of cash secured puts, right? Let's say at close on the 10th, right, Snapchat is trading at like $5, $6. I'm on the hook to buy it at 7. So I always say, make sure you're doing this on stocks and ETFs you don't mind holding long term. Now, in my trade log, I actually got assigned Snapchat shares last month for $7.50. And when I got assigned that, I immediately did a covered call on them. And you could see that on this line right here. So I have an $8 covered call running, and I actually had a nice 2.31% return on collateral on that. And then I have my other cash secured put that I just showed you guys. And obviously none of this is financial advice. These numbers are just what I got at the time. Results will 100% vary. But then I had my Snapchat, another $7 put. Since I got assigned that one, I went for a $7 one, and I had 3.76 ROI on my collateral. And you could see that in my Fidelity account by looking at my cost basis, okay? So I personally have been loving the wheel strategy. I've been doing it now for 5+ years. I've stopped buying and holding individual stocks. I've lost way too much money on that. And to me, I'm no longer a paper gains investor. Listen, if it's just on a screen, that doesn't mean you don't make money until you sell. And what I found with the wheel strategy is it forces me to sell, forces me to buy low. It forces me to sell higher than what I bought it for, especially if you're running this on good companies that you actually believe in. Now, I do believe a buy and hold portfolio is critical as well for like your retirement, to give for your kids, whatever. For me, I buy, I have some major Vanguard funds that I buy every single Monday morning. Set, forget, don't sell options on it at all. It's just there. It's that nest egg. It's that emergency fund, whatever you want to call it. But when I think of selling options, I think about ARK options. I think about the wheel strategy. Listen, all